Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2010 Honda NT700V. It's a really nice little sport touring bike. It's a liquid cooled 700cc parallel twin with a 5-speed. Nice silver metallic paint on this bike. Looks like there might be that was a bug that came right off. Might be a tiny little chip right there. Just can't hardly help but get a little rock chip on them occasionally if you ride them at all. It really looks good. Doesn't look like it's I didn't see any cracks or anything. It's just a little bit of scrubbing right here on the edge of this thing right there. Liquid cool radiator looks real good. Forks, rims, good tire, it all looks good. The side over here is in good shape as well. Might be a tiny little chip right here. The bike's got 4,060 miles on it, full instrumentation, fuel, speedo, tach, temperature. Tire here on the back, factory exhaust on it, set of hard bags, big nice comfortable saddle, set up for 2-up riding. Notice a little rub right in here, that's just where somebody's boot was. Engine doesn't make any kind of noise, nice and tight, runs really good. Been through our shop, it's checked out, so it's in fine condition. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Bike's also, it's got the side stand, but it's also got a center stand. It's a shaft drive bike. Got some good financing and warranties on this bike. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.